Welcome back to TakeApart. Do you ever struggle with buying SD card? Watch, this will help you to choose right one for you. This is a 64GB SD card with 60 megabytes per second of maximum write speed, which equals 480 megabits per second. Let's say you have a camera which record 4K resolution at 30 frames per second at 100 megabits per second. It's equal just 12.5 megabytes per second. Something like Canon 1DX Mark II records 4K at 60 frames per second at 800 megabits per second, equal 100 megabytes per second. This SD card has maximum read speed of 80 megabytes per second and write speed of 60 megabytes per second. Plenty for first camera, but not enough for 1DX Mark II. 1 megabyte equals 8 megabits. Hopefully it will help you to pick new SD card without paying a fortune for super fast one, which you don't need. Please check out our new Patreon page and thanks for watching.